How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to talk about hickeys. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So what I do with these videos is I answer questions from subscribers. I know this isn't really fitness related, but I still do it because I get a ton of comments per day on this topic. So that's why I've made it a topic in my channel. So I just pick a question from subscribers. I generally get about 10 comments per day from subscribers asking me hickey questions. So the question today, I'm just gonna pick one question from subscriber. And again, I mix up the questions so we don't get repeat videos. So the question today is, can you use A535 to get rid of hickeys? Now this is pretty intense. I would not recommend doing this at all, just because A535 is meant for pain and muscle pain. If you guys don't know what that is, A535, it's just a liquid. It's like a gel that you rub on muscle pains, and it helps to get rid of them. So if you have, let's say, a sore back, rub some A535 on it. It will get rid of your muscle pain. It will get rid of your back pain. If you got sore shoulder, put it on your shoulder, and then that will help. When I was playing baseball, my arm was sore from pitching. I would put A535 on it, and it helped with the pain. All it does is it creates it creates blood flow, so it gets the muscle moving, and it doesn't get the muscle moving. Creates blood flow, heats up, and helps with the pain. But to get rid of a hickey, I do not recommend doing this because it is a topical cream, and I mean, it might be able to work. Maybe, I haven't tried it yet, I haven't applied it, but if it was to work, it would take quite a bit of time for it to really work. It might take 6 hours, or it might take 2 days or 3 days or 4 days of constantly applying it. But that's not what it's recommended for. It's recommended for muscle pain. I know what you're getting at, because A535 creates blood flow. That's one thing that I recommend doing when you're getting rid of a hickey. But what I recommend doing is getting, say, a coin, a spoon, and rubbing the area. 2 to 5 minutes tops, and it will get rid of the hickey. That's what I recommend doing. I do not recommend A535 at all. So yeah, hopefully I answer your question, subscriber. If you guys have any other questions, comment below. I will answer them. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thanks.